Okay guys, so here we can see we have all this cool stuff from Superclean. So super big thanks to Superclean for sending us all these really cool products. We have our dissolve and greaser for the aerosol stuff, really cool. We have an all-wheel cleaner, which we'll be checking out today, value size. And a spray version of this dissolver and grease cleaner. Floor absorbent, really cool sticker, and some cool merch. Now, Superclean sent this to us for free. They never really asked us to do anything with it too. I'm just making a video because I think it's pretty cool that they sent all this stuff to us, and I want to see if it puts it to the test and see if it works. So today we're going to be checking out their Superclean all-wheel cleaner on our Impreza. Wheels aren't too dirty, but let's go check out the wheels, see if this stuff works, and we'll do a control test with regular water and a brush too to see if that works as well. Let's go right in. Okay guys, here we are. Sorry for the bug sound and everything, but here is our front driver's side wheel over here. Pretty dirty, not the worst, but you can see some brake grime and stuff going on there. Pretty gross and everything. Come check out the passenger side, or driver's side rear wheel. Also pretty dirty as well. Some gross stuff in there. I might have to use a brush to get some of that stuff out. And let's go check out the passenger side. These are pretty dirty as well. This one's not too bad, a little bit of brake dust going on there. So let's see if we can get this stuff off with the Superclean. Okay guys, so first up, we're gonna try off the Superclean all-wheel cleaner, as you can see right here. This is Superclean's all-wheel cleaner. Again, they sent this to us for free. Did not pay us to talk about or advertise this, but I wanted to see if it works anyway. So first up on the instructions, it does say to, let's see, we can read it together. We can see clean one wheel at a time, rinse thoroughly with cold water, coat wheel surface with Superclean, and allow foaming action. So we're gonna do a Superclean test on here. It says on that wheel back there, over here, turn you guys around. We're going to do a control with just water and a brush, and maybe just water, and see how that works. And we'll see the difference between using Superclean and using regular water and stuff. So let's dive right into that. Okay, as we can see, just doing it with a little bit of cold water, like the instructions say, you got a little bit of dirt off, but there is still a lot of grease and stuff in there. So now we're gonna take the Superclean formula, spray it 6 inches away, and allow the foaming action to kick into gear. So let's try that out right now. Okay guys, it's almost been 30 seconds, but I just want to see if you guys can look real close. You can actually see that some of the dirt and grime is being kind of melted off by the Superclean just around the edges of the tire alone, and a little bit's going on the wheels as well. Now these are pretty caked on and stuff, so we might have to agitate it with a brush, which Superclean does advise. But let's just rinse it off with water real quick and see how the results are after just spraying the Superclean foam on. Okay guys, as we can see, we just rinsed it off with water real quick, and they definitely look significantly cleaner, definitely a lot more shiny, but as we can see, there are some of those caked on spots. Now that's just because we didn't brush it off, and Superclean does say on the back, you can definitely brush it off with a brush to get some of the deeper grime and dirt out of there, which I probably should have done, but I just want to see how the Superclean by itself worked, and I think it looks really, really nice, just as it is. Now I want to go test out the rear wheel before I double clean this one again, and I want to see how that one just looks just with water. And maybe a brush too. We'll go check that out right now. Okay guys, we have the driver's side rear wheel here. Now let's just go check this out with just water, and we're gonna see how it looks. Okay guys, now you can see, now that was just water. They look pretty clean on the surface, but there's still a lot of gross grime and gunk around there. Now come over to the ones that we use the Superclean on. Yeah, there's some of that caked on stuff that I don't have the brush to kind of exactly clean it out, which I definitely could, but it's a lot cleaner than it was before, and it looks way shinier, way cleaner, way fresher. So let's put Superclean now on this wheel and see the difference that it's gonna make after putting the material on there. Okay guys, now you can see all the dirt that is being lifted off of the wheel from just scrubbing a little bit, doing a little washing, and we put the Superclean on. We've waited almost around 30 seconds at this point too, so I think it's time to rinse this off and see the final results from all the work that the Superclean's been doing on there. Hey everyone, and check that out. That is definitely way cleaner than it was with just the water. Yeah, there's those little pockets of caked dirt in there. I can't even get that off with a brush. I'm gonna have to get a smaller brush and some more time to kind of get that out of there. But I just want to give you guys the general idea of the difference between just using just water and then adding the Superclean foam on there for just 30 seconds. And of course at full strength too, because this is an automotive part. But I think these look a lot better than they did before, even on the front end. Definitely is cleaning your wheels, and it's definitely removing a lot of dirt and grime and dust on there. Okay guys, I want to send a huge shout out again to Superclean for sending us this awesome wheel cleaner, as well as all these other supplies and merch that are hiding in here as well, which is really nice. And of course, remember to dry off your wheels with a soft cloth or something. I don't have a cloth on me right now. I'm gonna go grab that and clean these off because we don't want water stains on there. So remember to do that. I didn't do that just yet. But yeah, I think these wheels look a lot cleaner. Yeah, there's some caked in dirt in there. I don't have the proper brush to really get that out. I think it's super caked in, but regardless, the Superclean generally made these wheels a lot cleaner than they were before, and they especially worked a lot better than using just water as well. I'm gonna go do the other side now because we can't just have one side of the car clean and the other not. But thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for a lot more. If you want more information on this car right here, go check out my video on this car about the CVT. We talked about reliability and a few drive videos of this as well. Thank you guys again for watching, and stay tuned for more from Allcarnews.